Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Vikajan Live Show. It's been a long time since we had the last Vikajan Live Show. And in this episode, we have an amazing speaker and guest to share the insight with us. We have Nirupma Khare, who will be going to talk about the inner shift for outer leadership. Welcome, Nirupma, to the Vikajan Live Show.
Thank you, Vikas. I think absolutely honored to be at your podcast, and thank you everybody who's watching us.
Thanks again. And for the benefit of our audience, let me give you a brief introduction about Nirupma. Nirupma Khare is a transformative coach, podcaster, and identity shift expert who helps ambitious women move from invisible executors to influential leaders. He is the host of In Me podcast and known for helping women reclaim their strategic voice, value, and visibility. Also, she is having more than 30 years, yes, 30 years of work experience in pharma and healthcare, leading L&D and business development with global companies including Abbott, Racket, Synos, United Healthcare, Eli Lilly. That's just some part of the profile that I've shared with you about Nirupma Khare. So, Nirupma, tell us about your journey. First of all, how did you get into the pharma domain? Because 30 years is a long stint. So, is it intentional or you coincidentally get into that?
मुझे लगता है कि my life is all about accidents, and we just when you collect all the accidents together, it becomes a journey. My
Yeah.
first accident, the accident was completing my PMT, and उस समय प्री मेडिकल टेस्ट बोलते थे, तो मुझे डॉक्टर बनना था. तो एक एक्सीडेंट
Wow.
हुआ जिसने मुझे नेक्स्ट डे एग्जाम है, मुझे BHU PMT देना है, बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी वाला, एंड आई वी वर एट स्टेइंग एट वाराणसी. और मेरा एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, तो वो रिंगिंग इन माय ईयर्स, क्लैविकल बोन हल्का सा क्रैक्ड, एंड I am writing an exam. Obviously, with 5 marks, I didn't get through, and I cried like crazy. And what I got through was pharmacy. Only one who, from the whole of Varanasi, the only one person selected was me, and I was unhappy. Pharmacy कौन करेगा? Pharmacy, and see, I'm talking of 94, when people didn't know कि pharmacy करके दवाई की दुकान खोलते हैं, and we were like service class के दवाई की दुकान कौन खोलेगा? मैं
Yep.
क्यों जाऊंगी pharmacy? Go, just go. And I just had 2 days to just get through, and I went there. Pharmacy किया, pharmacy करने के बाद भी ना 4 साल के बाद I'm like, what will I do? And I actually landed up like everybody was a sales rep job. तो देखो, कोई भी ऐसा सपना नहीं लेता है कि मैं फार्मा में सेल्स रेप बनूंगा. ये सपना किसी का नहीं होता है, पर हम
True.
बन जाए. तो ये एक और एक्सीडेंट था, बट आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी रिवॉर्डिंग बिकॉज आई क्लियर्ड 9 interviews of Eli Lilly. It was launched in 93, and 94 I had passed out. And within 9 interviews, 2 months, moving from Varanasi to Lucknow to Delhi to just get through Eli Lilly. And ultimately, I got through, and I was posted at Calcutta. That was my first posting as a salesperson. And the last piece to it is that when I went there, every doctor who met me, he said, "आपको कोई काम नहीं मिला, आप सेल्स रेप बन गई, आप टीचर बन जाती, आप बैंक में काम कर लेती, you could have become anything. Why sales?" And that's my journey to pharma, as you asked.
When you mentioned about Nirupma ki accident hua, I thought ki incident, but I was not expecting it was actually an accident that happened. Or
Yes.
I could see a connect with pharma. So just that much that I got through Delhi College of Pharmacy. I took the admission, but at the same time I got into Hansraj College, and I was more interested in computer science. And
Oh, wow.
but yes, so I've heard that career choices statements and about pharma and how to move forward. But definitely pharma is growing really well. In last 20-30 years it has grown really well. So talking about your journey, where it started from healthcare and pharma to where it is now, being a leadership coach, and about this whole topic of inner shift for outer leadership. So how do you get this insight to begin with?
Thank you, Vikas. It's a long story short. I think it would be, um, it would undermine my 30 years. What happened is, in these 30 years, I went through a transformative journey from a sales rep to a marketing person to training to clinical research within one organization, and then to become a BD head, then heading Asia Pacific, taking a break, working for an
Mhm.
NGO, again starting my journey at a very lower level because things are not that rewarding when you take a break. I'm talking about 2013, 2014, and again getting back and again starting from scratch. All this has got into a journey which a woman has traveled from that eyes. If you see, I had only men around me. Wherever I was,
Mhm.
only men were around me. It was they dominated those areas, and I was most of the places handful of women, or generally the only women, and
Yep.
that made all the difference. I could see everything happening right under my nose. I have been there, done there, dusted there, and I learned a lot. Maybe, and let me tell you, many great men were my bosses, and they contributed to my promotions. They saw something in me, and so I
Mhm.
owe it to them, and I owe it to even those men who did not see anything to me. They actually contributed more, because they gave me that zeal कि तुम्हें कुछ करना है निरुपमा. So वो ambitious निरुपमा को fire उन्हीं ने दिया. And with all this, when came a junction when I said मैं क्यों ये काम कर रही हूँ, there's something more to it. There's a purpose I'm seeking. And when I resigned from Reckitt, I was at the best of my performance, like salary you can think of. The office was near to my home. Everything was very rewarding, but I wanted something more. And I took a break. I wanted to go to Himalayas and just be with some yogis. When the moment came up कि तुम पहले जर्मनी जहाँ तुम्हारा बेटा है वहाँ की ठंड देख के आ जाओ, फिर बाद में हिमालय की सोचना. तो मैं वहाँ गई. तो जब वहाँ 2 महीने रही, I could actually explore many things out there. And when I came back, I was very clear I can go to Himalayas. I can go to Himalayas. And with that zeal, when I started off, I came across a great person, that's Gopal Krishnan. March 7th, I can recall he was here in Talkatora Stadium, and I was talking to him as to how to get into coaching business. And he gave some guidance, and we got I took his ticket. I took his program, and
Okay.
that's where the way he started building two things parallelly he was doing. While he was making me the coach, we were 300 coaches in one session, he was
Mhm.
absolutely digging my emotions.
Mhm.
Deep down, he was triggering all those emotions which were coming out, and I was like, what panic is this with me? And what was happening was deep seated my fears, my self doubt, my attachments, my you name it, and those ego, everything was shedding off or coming out. And I was like, this is something ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव जो जर्नी मैंने जी है 30 years, उसके ऊपर
Yes.
है, उसके परे है. ही इज डूइंग समथिंग टू मी एंड इट्स वर्किंग. And that's where the amplified Nirupama came out. And she could take a task of conducting 3 summits along with 2 other women coaches who were equally very ambitious. Anupama Nair,
Mhm.
who's the gut reset and fat loss coach, and Josna Chine, who's the manifestation coach, and they have their tremendous transformative journey. So जब हम तीन मिले तो हम तीन एक fire थे. And that's where came up the inner shift for outer leadership. And that's the journey we started off from, I would say, May 8th.
Oh, that's an amazing journey that you achieved a inner journey first for yourself. आपने खुद उसको experience किया, and then you decided that you will share it with other people, right? Quickly tell us about this program that you just talked about, that which is coming up and happening soon, right?
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. And this is like a dream come true, a stage which I wanted for myself. And one fine day, when my lungs screamed out, Naruma, this is something which you have to do. And we came up with this program called Powerful You. So, Vikas, when I say powerful you, powerful you, powerful you become powerful. But when you say Vikas, powerful you, I become powerful. And that's where
Hmm.
the theme came out, that the power is within us, and that inner shift has to happen to for people to see us externally how great and how different we are. It's not about greatness. We have so many great leaders. It's also being a great human being while you are moving towards leadership. So those changes are required at this point of time, that you are a good human being, you understand others, you think contribution before you think money. So transformation before transaction. So all these things were coming together, and said, okay, this is the need of the hour. We have to work towards a bigger mission. We started off with women, and then we said, why men have to be left out? And that's where we came up with this program called Powerful You. 3rd August, we conducted at Shambhaji Nagar, that's Aurangabad, and Aurangabad was awesome. We were looking at 30 people. We got 43 participants. It was a huge number, and the kind of response which came from women was quite evident. कि women बोलेंगे कि okay, that power we can feel within the kind of activities you have done. Who we are came out very clearly. But when men could think about the logic, and when they said, Nirupama, these are 4 tasks which I'm pending, I'm not doing it, but after this program these 4 tasks could be completed, and that was my first win. When you actually see people's coming to you and saying it. And right now it is on 31st August, Radisson Blue, Dwarka, 9 o'clock registration starts, and we are waiting for Dilli wale Dilli walo Dil walo ki Dilli to come over Delhi NCR on 31st August. It's a walk-in also, you can just join in. It would be great to see most of you there. Thank
Sure.
you.
And I've been showing the link of LinkedIn profile of Nirupma down below, so you can start following her. और उस पे आपको ये program की details भी मिल जाएंगी, so that you can talk. Now, viewers, if you have any question to Nirupma, you can type in the comment box below, and I'll be taking those questions with Nirupma. Now, Nirupma, if people who are attending this session right now or also will attend the session and watch this video later, can you give them one tool or tip they can immediately start applying in their life and start to see that inner shift that we are talking about?
Yes, of course. Why not? So, I think the first journey is inward. So, inward, if you look into, and I'll just go by science, what are you made of? 70% is water. Fine.
Yep.
So, I have this water bottle in front of me. So, next, whenever you're taking water with you, give that gratitude to the water. Okay, thank you, you have been there in my life, and the sip I'm going to take, let it heal every organ of my body. And let's say you have a problem in, I'm just taking examples, like let's say I have problem in my heart, so I would say this water heals my heart, or this water heals my diabetes. Very simple thing, but you put that gratitude in the water, because remember, water has memory, and it's been proven by our Japanese scientists. So
Hmm.
that simple thing, now people think iska leadership se kya lena dena hai, but think of it, if your body is healthy, a healthy body can communicate well,
Hmm.
and hence
Yes.
leadership is absolutely connected to your body. So get your body right, get your thoughts right. If your thoughts are not right, you won't be a great breakthrough leader. The amplified version you cannot see. The simplest is give gratitude to the water you're going to drink, and then you see the inward journey. It's so beautiful, the water going absolutely, if you can imagine that it's going through the esophagus to the stomach and to the various cells of your body, and there you are, the water appears blessing.
Oh, that sounds so interesting.
Yes.
My follow-up question will be towards that. You have touched the critical aspect of life of anyone. So one is from life sciences, your experience in pharma and life sciences, right? That is one. Second is sales for any business. आज मैं किसी भी business owner से मिलता हूँ, myself being a business owner, सबका सबसे बड़ा pain point है sales. Because बताओ sales कैसे बढ़वानी है? And not just बढ़वानी है, even as a speaker, when I'm invited to speak at various events, there are special events which are called sales meet. जहाँ पे sales leader come together and they hire motivational speaker to motivate sales people ki how they can increase their performance, increase their benchmarks, right? And third is leadership. तो फार्मा, सेल्स एंड लीडरशिप, ये तीन जो कोर वर्ड हैं, आपका तीनों का एक्सपीरियंस है, राइट? हाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट हेल्थ एंगल, दैट अगर मैं सिर्फ पानी की सिप ले रहा हूँ जैसे आपने बताया, एंड आई कैन फील इट दैट इट इज हीलिंग माई बॉडी, एंड डेफिनेटली दैट बिकम्स अ फाउंडेशन. हमारे जितने भी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम होते हैं हम बोलते हैं हेल्थ, वेल्थ एंड रिलेशनशिप, सो इट स्टार्ट्स विद हेल्थ. नाउ in sales, how this mindset that you are talking about can be helpful to people?
Again, I'll give a quick tip, because I have been a
Yeah.
salesperson altogether, all throughout. मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ मैं सेल्स पर्सन पहले हूँ. So वो जो थॉट है ना, पहली बात तो यू शुड बी पैशनेट अबाउट सेलिंग, सो दैट पीस हैज टू गो इन एवरी सेल. और ये कोई सिखा नहीं सकता, ये तो आपको खुद लाना पड़ेगा. लेट्स से आप इवन मीडियम सेल्स पर्सन हो ना, नाउ लेट्स से इफ यू आर द क्लाइंट एंड आप मुझे लेट्स से 10 लाख का एक बिजनेस देने वाले हैं, एंड आई हैव टू कम टू यू. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन लेट्स से वन मीटिंग, एंड नाउ दिस इज द सेकंड फाइनल मीटिंग. नाउ व्हाट विल आई डू? तो दो चीजें हैं. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स ancient wisdom with manifestation, because
Hmm.
leadership is all about thought, And if you see, any great leader has great thought, big vision, and that drives people. Okay, we need to go to the moon. बस उतना ही तो बोला था. Rest the whole Jing Bang started working for how to go to the moon. You know, so that one line made all the difference. So now what you do is, so what I'll do is, I will now before I leave from my home, fun, I will do Swar Yog. Now, what is Swar Yog? My left nasal is working more than the right. I will put my left leg outside my home. When I leave my home, my left leg will go first, which says anything you do today will be your best. Because if I take my right leg out, the universe starts rotating the other way around. So it means that कभी कभी हम कहते हैं ना आज दिन अच्छा नहीं गया, वो एक्चुअली आपने ये कुछ छोटी सी गड़बड़ की होगी. This is from Shiv Sutra, and I believe it. I've gone back to my roots. So that's my first thing. So I have taken my the leg which should go out. I've taken that. So that's the first simple step. Now, when I'm entering your place, all throughout the way, I'm going to send you virtual WhatsApp message. Because I'm going to come to you. We already had a discussion, and I know there are two challenges you are having. I've got solutions for that. You would accept it. Even if you don't accept it, you will be happy about the way we are presenting to you, because it may not be 100% the solution. Yeah. So you'll be happy about it, and we will reach to a conclusion of moving towards 10 lakhs. So I'm going to take that business today. Send some virtual message. And I'm not undermining the preparation. Please do your preparation. हाँ, वो logical वाला piece मत miss out करना. मैं मान के चल रही हूँ कि आपकी presentation in place है. You have your FAQs right. You have all your stuff right, and you are well prepared. This works. What happens is, those we are energy packets and we are not utilizing this tool is in your hand. When I send that energy to you, you somehow you would take it. Even if you're very angry with me, आपका गुस्सा थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. I can always say, I know last meeting you were a little angry and disturbed about the discussion we had. I'm coming again today, but what if we can have a patch up on that piece and move ahead for the business? You will see a positive response. And this is not one, two, or three clients. Last 10 years, I just worked on it. 10
Okay.
years, 10,000 clients, and I worked it. Because see, as training head managers, we go with our sales rep क्या बोलते हैं, मैम आप ट्रेनिंग कराती है ना, ये वाला डॉक्टर मेरा बहुत टफ है, अब आप ठीक करिए, आप बताइए कैसे बेचेंगे. दे हैव पुट ऑन मी. आई सेड नो, जॉब यू विल ओनली डू, बट आई विल बी अलोंग विद यू. वो मैं मैनेज आउट करती हूँ, बट आई स्टार्ट सेंडिंग व्हाट्सएप वर्चुअल मैसेज कि डॉक्टर एक्स, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट इन, आई डोंट नो यू, आई एम गोइंग टू मीट यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, आई हैव नेवर मेट यू, आई डोंट रियली नो द बैकग्राउंड, बट व्हेन आई लीव वी विल गो विद सम सोल्यूशन व्हिच इज मच बेटर. एक बार भी विकास मेरा खराब नहीं हुआ है. I mean, I
Okay.
might have not got business, but the doctor at least was positive enough to move forward. The client was positive enough to move forward, and from there, the sales rep could have taken the next step and closed the business. It has worked for 10 years. Is a huge data. I have to
Yeah.
put it together. से एक दो
So,
क्लाइंट की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं बहुतों
तो
की
पहले
बात
आपने बताया कि पहला तो ग्रेटिट्यूड, मतलब इवन इफ यू आर टेकिंग द सिप ऑफ वाटर, आप यू हैव द ग्रेटिट्यूड. सेकंड,
Yes.
जो सब बिजनेस ओनर्स और बिजनेस लीडर्स के लिए स्पेशली यूजफुल है कि हाउ टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस, हाउ टू ग्रो देयर सेल्स, एंड देयर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेंडिंग द वर्चुअल मैसेजेस. इट्स लाइक अ वर्चुअल व्हाट्सएप काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि बिफोर मीटिंग द प्रोस्पेक्ट you are sending a message and building a repo online, or I would say at the aura level, energy level, we are building the repo start. Yes, great. And
But I'm not missing out the
yeah,
great preparation. Huh? That piece
yeah,
remains intact. You have to be prepared, huh? Well prepared. Yeah.
that makes total sense. My follow up question to that will be कि जितने leaders हैं उनको लगेगा ठीक है, I am attending the session और say I learn, but सिर्फ मेरे से ये पूरी टीम नहीं बदल रही है. We need to give a tool to my team. तो क्या
Yeah.
वो ये टूल अपनी टीम को बोलेंगे, या उनको ऐसा तो नहीं लगेगा ये कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं? मतलब पर्सन हु बिलीव्स इन, बट जो शायद इन बातों में बिलीव नहीं करता, वो कैसे इस बात को समझेगा? मतलब व्हाट इज दैट टूल which
Okay.
may be acceptable to a logical mind, to a masses person, or I can share with my team as well. I'm sure log who are watching the show right now can comment yes and no if you agree with my thought, and what is that tool that can be there. Yeah, so
Yeah.
what
So
tool
thank you
can be
for
there?
that. So see, now for the logical mind, so this becomes a little emotional, but when you start looking from an ancient wisdom of India, you will find वो हमेशा से था हमारे पास. Now let's look from the scientific point of view.
Mhm.
Is there a self talk? आप self talk करते हो विकास?
Yep. बहुत.
वो सेल्फ टॉक क्या कहता है आपको? जैसे इस समय आपका सेल्फ टॉक क्या कह रहा है आपसे? पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम?
I think
क्यों?
in your presence, definitely it is quite positive.
सो पॉजिटिव है. अगर आपका सेल्फ टॉक पॉजिटिव है तो मेरे पास क्या वाइब्रेशन आ रही है? पॉजिटिव ही आ रही
Yes.
है ना? तो जो मैंने बोला एक व्हाट्सएप वर्चुअल व्हाट्सएप देना इज नथिंग मोर देन द सेल्फ टॉक व्हिच इज बिहाइंड यू, जो
Hmm.
आपको हमेशा दौड़ाता है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू द कंटेंट ऑफ द सेल्फ टॉक इज वेरी पुअर. Most of the time it is very poor. It is the shrinked version of us inside us, and the self talk is being trained to protect us. तो वो क्या बोलता है? नेक्स्ट कदम मत लो, गिर जाओगी. अरे माउंटेन पे मत जाओ. Don't take this vacation. अरे don't take leave, the boss will get angry. Not letting you do things. So self talk is the energy. So you first talk to yourself and you make your content rich. You make your own content rich. It's all about you within you. Now when you're looking for a logical, again now this becomes for people who are very logical. उनको लगता है ये भी कोई बात नहीं, सेल्फ टॉक में पॉजिटिव कर लूंगा तो कौन सा बड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा. बट यू डू इट एंड सी, बिकॉज फॉर मी इट इज साइंस. It is absolutely science. You are shrinking your version inside you when you say you cannot do it. But think of those moments, because when you said nahi main ye kar sakta hu, ye 1% top leaders, I can do this program, and I'm sure you did it. When the world around you said vikas ye kya tu leke baith gaya hai, I'm sure you did it. You crossed them, you conquered them, you did not listen to them, and you just heard your self talk which was saying move ahead, move ahead, move ahead. So it is logical. Now coming to those tools, if you're looking forward, please google. भरा पड़ा है leadership tools, तो you can google as much as you want to find out reflection, self awareness, tools for selling, discovery, objections, negotiations. It's full of it. Do that. You can check that out. But this works. You get your, and people even say मेरा monkey. Self talk को हम monkey भी बोलते हैं. My monkey is troubling me. It's back of my mind. We need to get that vocabulary rich by saying this is me. This is the beautiful me and it's my amplified version. And that's where your leadership starts. जब आप अपने बारे में अच्छा नहीं बोल रहे, आप अपनी टीम को कैसे संभालोगे? The bullied boss, the toxic boss is because the self talk is poor.
So self-talk is very important in this.
It is.
Okay, makes a lot of sense. I see a question before moving forward. So question coming from Rajesh: any major transformation story of leader you help, like what you
Yes.
did and what was the problem and what was the turnaround?
So I'll use a simple process, and again that's a way to tell you all, and most of you use it. The STAR format: the situation, the task, the action, and the result. The
Yep.
situation was the person was looking for a promotion. The task obviously you give to your team is when you're looking for a promotion is कि अगले 3 महीने you do task 1, 2, 3, and this will help you lead to promotion. These are general ways we do. Now
True.
while we were doing this, I, because my wisdom was parallelly I was developing myself, so I did talk about self talk, I did talk about taking care of health and the food, I did talk about swar yoga, I did talk about putting up things together, and we used a tool called Hoponopono and EFT. These are scientific tools. We use that also. So these were the tasks which were done for next 3 months with the person. The actions were absolutely matching to what was asked, and there was a tracking mechanism in place. Remember, if you don't have a tracking mechanism in place, as you say, what gets inspected gets respected. So you have to put your tracking mechanism in place, and I'm not getting away with any of the logic in terms of how you run a business. Do
Right.
that piece. And the resultant was, I would not say promotion if that's what you're going to hear, Rajesh. The resultant was influencing skills improved. People started feeling ये कुछ अलग नहीं हो गया है बंदा, इसका कुछ different लगने लगा है. The projects he started attracting were of high impact. Now when you start attracting projects for the organization which have high impact, when your influencing skills are getting up, people around you and the CEO is recognizing you, what will you get as an outcome? Is definitely a
Definitely.
promotion.
Yes. Definitely a lot of improvement.
यस, सो पीपल स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट प्रमोशन पे, मुझे प्रमोशन चाहिए, मुझे प्रमोशन चाहिए। या सेल्स के लोग हैं, वो कहते हैं मुझे टारगेट अचीव करना है, या लीड चाहिए तो मुझे 100 लीड चाहिए। 100, अब 100 लीड इज अ आउटकम। वो 100 लीड को लाने के लिए मुझे क्या करना है, हम वो नहीं देखते।
True.
That's where the whole point is, and we actually get tired. So, going back to Rajesh, this transformation is a journey. If you do it within 3 months, you can get the result. We have a program called 12 Visits, 12 Weeks, 12 Minutes Daily. And this is all about the transformation journey. And that small glimpse we are going to give 31st August at Delhi, Radisson Blue Dwarka, and on 21st September in Mumbai.
Okay, and I'm sure people will be interested in joining the program. My follow-up question to that will be, निरुपमा, कि जब हम बात कर रहे हैं इनर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होने की, और आजकल क्योंकि विद द अदर कंपनी दैट आई एम रनिंग, वर्ल्ड क्लास टेक टैलेंट, रोज कोई ना कोई कंपनी की फायरिंग की न्यूज आती है, सीनियर पीपल आर गेटिंग फायर्ड इन द कंपनी, एंड इट क्रिएट्स अ लॉट ऑफ एंग्जाइटी, क्योंकि
Yes.
वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली के लिए लोन्स बने हुए हैं, होम लोन लिए हुए हैं, कार लोन लिए हुए हैं, और एकदम जॉब खत्म हो जाती है ऑन अ शॉर्ट नोटिस. तो what is your suggestion, मतलब how people can take control of their life in that kind of adverse situation? I'm just giving one example.
Yes.
There are many kind of adversity, but जिन
Hmm.
लोगों की जॉब चली जाती है, senior person है, and how these tools can help them, because एक तो वो होता है ना कि you have to be in a state to grasp the tool. कई बार आदमी इतने डाउन में चला जाता है कि उसकी वो स्टेट ही नहीं होती कि वो किसी चीज को
Tools.
एक्सेप्ट करे, है ना? तो वो क्या करे उस ऐसी सिचुएशन में?
There are two three things, get a nose. There's a book called Who Moved My Cheese, बहुत पुरानी है, but it just
Yeah.
talks about smelling your cheese. Smell कि क्या हो रहा है around, look beyond. So अगर layoff से थोड़ा पहले कुछ समझ में आता है तो would be best. But let's say you are at your best of your performance, the company is doing good, and there is no layoffs around. That is the time you should start thinking of passive income. Passive income could, so one, I'm not talking of moonlighting. I'm not saying कि
Mhm.
यहाँ का डेटा लिया वहां डाल दिया, वो सब मत करो। ये सारी
Right.
चीजें हमको बैकफायर करते हैं, और ये दीज आर द रीजंस हमको पहले निकाला जाता। सो जस्ट बी
Yes.
जेन्युइन इनफ, एंड आई समहाउ फील दिस केम टू मी फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स डेफिनेटली, एंड व्हाट गॉट
Mhm.
एंडोर्स्ड वाज बाय इलाई लिली कि लो परफॉर्मेंस इज ओके, बट unethical things will not be okay. So sales में रह के भी ethical होना बहुत tough है. You lose businesses, but be ethical. So that's one piece. Now, coming back to get a passive income. So let's say if you're great in gifting, I'm just taking so you're a data analyst,
Mhm.
but तुम gifting बहुत अच्छा करते हो, packing बहुत अच्छा करते हो. Can you teach that? Can you open a gift shop? Can you do something? Can you come up with a web page? Get some passive incomes. Can you be a trader? Learn about trading and become a trader. That piece is allowed. कोई मना नहीं
Yes.
करेगा आप अगर shares में हैं. And you know the kind of money we make from shares. And this is especially for women. All women, please listen. Go and find out on the YouTube. These are available. Be part of these shares. You earn money. Don't put in FDs. That's my suggestion. So it's optional, but that's how I look at money. And if you're doing this, so start thinking passive income. Your wife, your son, your mom who is retired, we should look at them also as a resource. अगर मॉम बहुत अच्छे लड्डू बनाती थी, आज वो लड्डू आप वेबसाइट पे बेच सकते हो, और उसका कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट डेटा एनालिस्ट के साथ नहीं है, बट हम वैसे
Mhm.
सोचते नहीं है। कौन झंझट लेगा, कौन ये लेगा? So digital skilling, if you don't know digital skilling at this point of time, you I would say it's a poor mindset, poor people. The rich
Mhm.
mindset is you have to get into digital skills, whatever your age is. Can you beat it? I have a marketing person from a very small town of Banaras, और वो लड़का 21 साल का लड़का has earned more than 80,000 rupees from us because he know digital skills. So start learning. So you have to upskill. The answer is upskilling. Don't right now, let's say even layoff हो रहा है, it's a एकदम extreme situation, but prior to it, keep upskilling. LinkedIn में हम कहते हैं post and all, you do keep writing, but if you're not utilizing that post in terms of creating 5 people, get 5 leaders together on LinkedIn today and create a round table. Ask them questions and see you are growing. You will start increasing your networkings. अब जब network increase होगा तो क्या होगा? Even if there's a layoff, you have people around you to give jobs.
That makes total sense. Nirma, you talked about women in between, especially women can also explore these skills, है ना? And I was reading about your podcast, and it is majorly for women, ambitious women, how they can help. What is one common suggestion you want to give to women who want to take control in her hand? Matlab, it has happened to me. I was coaching a lady who is a Canadian, and she was bothered ki she will go out for a 2 days conference, and who will take care of the son and like her husband. And I was like, so, and that guilt out of home is kind of a, earlier I was thinking that it's only an Indian phenomena, but उस दिन मेरे को पता चला it's a global phenomena
The global
for a
phenomenon.
women, है ना? तो
Yeah.
any one suggestion for women, or probably the fundamental change or insight that you want to bring in with your work for women, especially for women?
So this would be very unlike every women leaders at the top speaking about. Currently, looking at the scenarios we are in, I would say, see, we were born to be a nurturer. Women are born, they have that born nurturing abilities. Don't miss out on that. That's your strength. Men have always got food, लड़ भिड़ के fighting cave animals, they got food for us. We prepared that food. Now that piece is in us, so don't get that nurturing out of you. What is happening today is two men are coming home. One is the husband and one is the wife who has become a man in the making and coming home. So two husbands when come home, the kids don't know whom to look at for the nurturing piece. I'm not saying that you're not loving your kids, you are doing it, but that look at the kind of the thought process is different. And then you need somebody at home to give you a cup of tea. So you both of you need a wife at home, which is a maid or a cook or somebody. So one, I would say for all women, get a little bit of nurturing in you. The money piece can come wherever you are. You go to office, you can get money, you can stay at home and get money. You have kids, you take it as a project and it is for both of you. Now who is a homemaker? Everybody who is coming home is a homemaker. A student, a kid who is coming home from school is a homemaker. A husband who is coming home is a homemaker. So you have to divide the work. Now everybody has to work for home. When you start thinking like this, आपकी responsibilities divide होने लगती हैं. देखो मेरे जनरेशन वाले मेन थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है उन्हें कहना. आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद अ हस्बैंड हु इज ग्रेट एट कुकिंग, सो आई लिव्ड माय लाइफ. अदरवाइज आई माय सन वुड हैव बीन, मैं सच्ची में वो भूखा रख लेती उसको, ऐसा ना कुछ कर लेती. बट आई लर्नड इट इन द प्रोसेस दैट वी हैव टू गिव जॉब्स टू एवरीबॉडी. सो एक बच्चे को भी अपने बर्तन उठा के रखने हैं, डाइनिंग टेबल साफ करना है, वॉशरूम जो वो यूज कर रहा है उसको साफ करने दो. आप जब छोटे छोटे काम सबको देने लेंगे, वॉशिंग मशीन एक बार हस्बैंड को भी लगाने दो, सो थोड़ा आपका काम कम होगा. एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग. And then what happens is that guilt becomes lesser. So if your husband knows how to cook, your traveling becomes easier. Then you're not. So I'm never worried only. मुझे मालूम है मेरे हस्बैंड मुझसे ज्यादा अच्छा मेरे बच्चे को खाना खिलाएंगे, और वो खुद भी अच्छे से खाएंगे, और वो स्कूल भी बहुत अच्छे से जाएगा. कुछ नहीं तो कार से ड्रॉप कर देंगे, पर हो जाएगा. दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज
Hmm.
I got it as a blessing, but the in the process I learned that my son needs to be trained like this. So ninth class से हम उसको करवाते थे, डाइनिंग टेबल पोछो, वॉशरूम क्लीन करो, आटा मारो, रोटी बनाओ. A little push was there to him. And today he's in Germany, he says, and I said, as a mom, I do still have a guilt कि मैंने तो हॉस्टल में भी डाला और ये सारे काम करवा. He says, Mom, because of that, I'm independent and you can be out of your guilt. I can adapt in Germany so well, my friends are unable to do it. So, those are the rewards you get for delegating jobs. So, delegate jobs
Got
at
it.
home and be there. You are a leader, you can become a leader, and men have to be leader at home while women is being a leader in the office, and vice versa. Take care of this. Children have to be taken care of, irrespective of whatever you guys are into. जो भी लड़ाई तुम्हारी होती है, बच्चा अगर है तो उसको संभालो, बिकॉज हमें डिवोर्स रेट्स कम करने हैं, हमें बच्चों को
Got
बहुत
it.
अच्छे से पालना है. थैंक यू.
Got it. Got it. And in the interest of time, my last question: what is Nirupma version 2.0? Like, what is the mission that you want to achieve and see happening in coming years for you?
Uh, Thank you. I'm in the process of it, and from March to May and May to August, she's already moved a version. I've moved
Okay.
a version, and Today, 21st September is what I'm looking out for. Okay, 21st September is the third summit, and what next? So we are looking at a version where we are automating things. So we are getting into AI automation. We are ensuring that each and everything is automated for us. And once we get into automation, we are looking at a larger mission of impacting women definitely, but also men through our curated program, which is a signature program of Powerful You. So that's how the version 2 looks like. And I'm very confident that this journey is along with my spiritual journey, and hence the version is faster. So while you're looking at it, I would say, being an Indian, you should go back to your ancient wisdom of spirituality, whichever religion you are. We have that wisdom within us. Get back to that and see how it actually propels your trajectory to a very successful venture. You will get into a very successful venture. So that's my take of myself.
वाओ एंड आई एम श्योर जितनी भी आज हमने बातें करी निरुपमा की ये सारी अगर चीजें कोई करने लग जाए, कोई लीडर करने लग जाए, कोई इंडिविजुअल करने लग जाए, एवरीवन हैज दैट पोटेंशियल ऑफ बिकमिंग अ लीडर. तो आई एम श्योर वो टॉप 1% की जर्नी पे अपने आप को रख पाएंगे व्हेन दे आर
I
हैविंग अ
love the
पॉजिटिव
connection.
माइंडसेट,
I love that.
ग्रेटिट्यूड, है ना.
All the best for
So
your 1% program, because it's a beautiful program, because you have curated, and that's one thing which I look forward to. Work along with you and ensure that we are passing out that 1% top people,
yeah.
to their zenith. So thank you.
Yes, and it requires mutual effort from everyone to grow in that dimension. Thank you, Nirupma. Thanks for being on the show, sharing your precious insight with us, with your life experiences. 30 साल के experiences को 30 मिनट में बताना definitely मुश्किल होता है, but you have done a great job. Wish you all
Thank
the best for your upcoming program, and I'm sure it is for the benefit of the people who are going to attend this program and start their transformative journey. Thanks again. Bye bye.
Thank you. Powerful you, powerful you, powerful you.
Powerful you, powerful you, powerful you. And for all the viewers who are watching right now or going to watch it in future, powerful you, and stay tuned for our next podcast with some other amazing guest. Thank you and bye bye.